Let me show you how to force restart your Google Pixel 11, also 11 Pro, if it's maybe frozen, unresponsive, or something has happened to it. So to do that, we simply hold the power plus volume up at the same time for roughly 10 seconds. So again, no matter the condition of your phone or whatever is going on with it, I'll also start timer to see how long exactly it takes. So power plus up, and you hold it. So see, power plus up, and ignore whatever it says. We just keep holding it like this. So you see, it literally takes maybe like 10 seconds to shut down. And then also it's going to check if everything is okay with the phone. It will also test itself and also reset all the network adapters as well on the phone during this process. I see it actually takes quite a while to basically do that and start booting up. So maybe like 30 seconds later it starts booting up, and it takes less than a minute essentially to fully boot up, and now it should be good to go. Okay, good luck.